What's up, you guys? Jeffrey Ventura. I'm super excited to bring you a brand new video each new week. So, today's episode, I'm just going to be talking about how you're not wasting your time. I know there are times that some of us as a trader, because trading can be a very lonely business and a very, very boring one at that at some point. Because you don't have anyone you're actually talking to. You're just with your computer in your room and just trading. Just as that way I'm also doing it. It can be a very boring thing. And at some point, you can just think, oh, I'm probably wasting too much of my time. Now, here's how to know that you're not wasting too much of your time. You're not wasting your time. It's not a time waste, and that you are being productive with your time. All right? So let's head straight into the... back. So you're not wasting your time if you're actually doing your back testing. You have a rule written down, you are following that rule strictly, and also you are following through proper money management, just as I always teach everywhere. So I've got a video that is containing all of this thing regarding money management, risk management, beginner series in my website. So you can go ahead and go straight to Firepips FX to check out that video. It's for free. It's for free. Go check it out. Make sure you go check it out. All right. So in today's video, you're not wasting your time if all you do day in, day out is to make sure you check your charts and make sure you are finding out where your strategy, you would have actually had an entry at that particular point. And once you see a particular entry and you are mapping it out, putting your long and short functionality like this. Let me show you. So on the screen, each time, every day that you come, just make sure you are trying to do your back test and you click on this long and short function. And you put the long option right here. This is a long, and you place it right here. Like this is how to backtest. So you're not wasting your time. And you also look at the conditions that make you to want to go short at this point. Look at there's a trend line, there is a psychological level, and there is an M pattern. So that's why you went short, or that's why you went long. So this is for a long option that I brought in, but this is supposed to be like, it's supposed to bring the short function. But this here is where you pick it, the forecast tool. So once you pick it here, you put it here. So the green part means this is where price is going to be heading to for you to make profit. And the red part is your stop loss zone. Okay? So that's how it works. And when you keep doing that often and often, you find out that it might be boring and you might not be making a lot of money. And that may make you feel depressed at some point because you're not really making money and there are bills that keep coming in. You don't really know how to solve all these things. Trust me, that's a way to consistency. I did this thing for more than a whole year. I kept doing it, but I wasn't seeing consistency. I wasn't seeing money coming in. It felt that I wasn't productive. Because in this part of the world, or generally, we gauge productivity based on results, based on the money that we are getting instantly. That's how we gauge productivity. So it's just an inspirational video that I'm here to show to you that you're not wasting your time. Just a reminder that you're not wasting your time. All you just have to do, keep back testing. Make sure you write your trading rules down, just as I always have mine written down every day. So if you check my board, behind me right now, there's a board right there. That's where I put in my trading plans, my entry, my exits, and what have you. That's what I do every now and then. So if you have that same thing and you're following it on, you know what happens, how candles are behaving at that region, and why they are behaving in that region. Trust me, you are doing the right thing. Though it might not be showing in your account balance right now, you might not be making money, but trust me, that's a way to it. And also, the next challenge I want to give to you now is make sure you open a free trial, FTMO free trial, or anyone at all, a free trial where you don't have to commit your money, like a demo account. Start trading. Make sure you respect 5% daily mass drawdown and 10% total drawdown. That should be your guideline. So if you are able to make 10% at the end of a month, then that shows that you are good to go to take a live account. So that's the same test that I set to my people who are at the mentorship. All right, so if you want to be a part of the mentorship, you can just go to firepipsfx.com and sign up for the mentorship. It's a 1 year and it's $400. Very affordable. I mean, it's reasonable. Okay, so that's one way you know you can get ahead. That's one way you know you can get ahead. And another thing, again, is if you are practicing risk management, sometimes markets might not really give you the right setup that you want, and you are not really seeing the conditions that you need to see. For those who use smart money concepts, for those who use my strategy, for those who are using London breakout, for those who are using anything that you're using at all, strategy is none of my business. I'm not talking about strategy today. Any strategy you're using, they all work. What matter is your risk management and money management. When you are getting in, how much are you risking? And when are you getting out? That is what is really most important. So that controls your psychology too sometimes. So I want to talk a little bit about risk management. So while you are risking, please do not risk more than on a proprietary firm account, like professional trading level. I'm not talking about flipping, because I flip a lot. Yes, I know that too. But on a professional level, you're not allowed to risk more than 0.5% of your account to 1% at a time. So that's what you should risk, because every day with this proprietary firm, you are giving 5% daily drawdown, 5% risk of your account. All right. So when you are sticking to 1% per trade at a time, yeah, then you know that you have at least 5 tries every day. 5 tries. To take you 5 tries in order for you to violate an account. So I mean, you wouldn't want to have 5 losing streak in a day. You just have 2, then that should be it for the day. You also have to set your loss limits. So these are things that you won't hear anywhere. But I just want you to know that once you are obeying these things in your demo account, though you might not be seeing profit in real life because it can be so tiring and draining. You are putting a lot of energy, but you're not seeing the money coming in, and the bills keep piling up, and you have kids, you have school fees, maybe your personal upkeep, you have rent to pay, you have electricity bill, you have family pressure on you because they are seeing you every now and then on your PC, always looking at your computer. They don't know what you're doing. Like, will you just go get a life and all these pressures are on you? I'm just here to remind you that you're not wasting your time. Keep doing it, at least. For me, from experience, now you would ask, how long do you think one should do this for in order for you to start seeing results? It's very relative. It depends on the energy, the time, and how you're putting in. Like for me, I did this for straight 1 year. That was not because I wasn't getting it. I already got it. Within 3 months, you should get it. 3 months consistently, you should get this whole thing figured out. I mean, 3 months from nothing, from knowing zero, nothing, to passing an FTMO challenge and getting a refunded account. 3 months is just okay. It's okay for you to get that going. So that's what I have for you today. I'm sure you guys enjoyed the series. I'm just going to be dropping small and golden nugget tips from now onwards. So if you do like this kind of content, please subscribe, turn on post notification, and share this video with friends that love them. And remember to follow me too on Instagram using this handle. All right, bye guys.